वेलकम गाइस, कैसे हो आप लोग। आज हम खेलेंगे अगला पार्ट WWE 2K22 का। लेट्स गो। ओके, पिछली दफ़ा हमने आपको कहा था कि हम कुछ और करेंगे। इस बार हमने चूज़ किया है यूनिवर्स मोड, जेफ हार्डी, मनी इन अ बैंक। अगला मैच है वही शुरू में ही मनी इन द बैंक।
Sold out and fired up crowd. The WWE Universe is in fine form here tonight.
They know they're about to witness something special, Michael. So are we. And I, for one, cannot wait.
अच्छा, इनमें से अच्छा हमारा मैच नहीं था कि हमारा मैच है। ठीक है, शुरू में ही मेरे पास ब्रीफ केस कहाँ से आ गई।
The following contest is scheduled for one fall and is for the WWE United States Championship.
चलो शुरू में ही यूनिवर्स मोड में चैंपियनशिप मैच। चलो, खेलना हमें भी आता नहीं है।
Jeff Hardy.
Byron, you can ask any superstar on the roster. It is next to impossible to prepare for the reckless abandon that Jeff Hardy manifests.
You're absolutely right. We've learned over the years that Jeff Hardy will do absolutely anything. Jeff Hardy will take any risk available as long as it ends in a win.
The WWE Universe is on its feet for the arrival of the charismatic Enigma.
कल ये ज़्यादा ठीक लगता था, अब ये मास शास और अजीब कपड़े जैसे। चलो, फिर ये रेसलिंग छोड़ भी गया था, कहीं और चला गया था, फिर वापस आ गया, और जब से वापस आया अजीब सा है। इसको मैं स्किप भी नहीं कर सकता, सीधा मैच शुरू भी नहीं कर सकता।
Has arrived. Calm demeanor, but about to unleash.
अच्छा, ये चैंपियन है और शुरू में ही चैंपियन में बन जाऊंगा, मतलब अगर मैं जीता।
Damian Priest is the genuine
ऊपर
article
ब्रेकआउट
living
लिखा हुआ
the
है एक्स
best
दबाओ
rock
में,
star life.
लेकिन अगर मैं
Champagne,
कहीं में
jacuzzis,
डिस्क्वालीफाई ना हो
beautiful
जाऊँ,
ladies on each arm. This dude is
अगर
the
मौका
real
मिलता है
deal.
यूनाइटेड
And
स्टेट
all
चैंपियनशिप खेलने
business
का तो क्यों ना।
in the ring. Born and raised in the concrete jungle of New York City, Damian Priest lives to throw hands. Damian Priest has this unchecked rage, ready to attack at will. He'll shut you down, and in the end, he will turn out your lights.
ये क्या कर रहा है?
Kick to the gut.
This is all for the right to call yourself the United States champion. To put yourself in the echelon of John Cena, Ricky Steamboat, Steve Austin, some of the greats of all time.
Over 40-plus years of history for the United States Championship, and a new chapter is written tonight.
Damian Priest is quite the arsenal of offense in his back pocket. What will the Archer of Infamy need to pull out to best his opponent tonight?
It's tough to nail down just one thing. Priest is well-rounded, but I suspect his martial arts background will come into play tonight.
The champ taking their share of hits now.
अभी तो मैं सिर्फ सीख रहा हूँ, फिर तो हमें इतना कंट्रोलिंग का इतना पता नहीं है.
Oh, unique move here. What a maneuver!
ये क्या
Beautiful
है?
prong hold applied.
Doesn't bode well if you still can't get more than a 1 count by now.
Wards off that offense from Priest.
Nasty right hand.
Answers with an enziguri, crashing to the floor.
Nice,
And
nice,
Priest
nice.
is brought to a disadvantage now.
Priest has to find a way to right the ship here.
अच्छा ऊपर कैसे जाते हैं?
No, 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 no! Moved out of the way!
Hardy takes the offensive. Oh, back elbow. He got whipped into that corner.
To the small of it back.
The champ looking out of sorts.
And this match is not over yet. Things are only going to get harder from here. Priest finally finding an answer to that onslaught.
Yeah, he's able to stop that surge dead in its tracks.
क्या
An
कर डम
innovative
है?
assault from Jeff Hardy.
Jeff is
Good, good.
looking steady and
ये इतना
focused.
कमजोर है.
Stiff kick. Oh, stomping away. Oh, no, 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 no.
Oh, right in there.
That could be the spark Damian was looking for.
Damian Priest has got him set up for the broken arrow. With the reversal. Twist of fate.
Twist of fate.
From the middle rope. Oh, what a splash.
Drop kick hits the mark.
What great agility.
अच्छा इसका फिनिशर अभी ट्राई नहीं किया.
Oh, man, a little extra luster behind that kick. Priest timed that one.
There was some power behind that punch. Oh, good night.
Sorry.
Ooh, sharp kick.
Kick lands.
ये क्या कर रहा है ये?
Oh, well-measured strike. Oh, what a kick.
Good.
Uh-oh. Twist of fate.
फिनिशर इसका कैसे? नॉर्मली ऊपर चढ़ के जा और नहीं ऊपर जा सकता.
From the middle rope. Catches nothing but air.
Big forearm. Vicious, downright savage club right there. Kick.
अभी और
Oh,
मारते हैं.
kick connects.
उठ. कितना कमजोर है यार ये. और मैंने किया वो भी मतलब नॉर्मल पे मैं थी. छेड़ी नहीं है सेटिंग में.
Placed in the corner. Caught him right in the jaw.
Ugh, what a shot. Oh, my goodness.
I don't like this situation, guys.
Twist of fate with the tie.
The title might change hands. Cover. And we have a new champion. Unbelievable.
Here is your winner, and the new WWE United States Champion,
brutal loss for our now former champion.
To go
जीत
from
गए हैं
challenger to champion. That has to feel good.
And
ओके जी हो गया जो बाकी मैचेस है वो सिमुलेट हो जाते हैं यूनिवर्स मोड में यस नेक्स्ट वीक हमें नेक्स्ट वीक दिखाओ इलियास ये कौन से बंदे मुझे दे रहे यार कोई डाढ़े बंदे मुझे दो चैंपियनशिप बेल्ट पहनी होगी ना
The Daredevil.
यस चैंपियन
Ladies and gentlemen, Elias.
Hello, I am Elias.
ladies and gentlemen, it is time to walk with Elias. Can he walk off a bridge, Cole? When's Elias going to play his swan song? At least he's in a match at the moment and has limited effect on my eardrums. Your opinion on Elias's musical talent aside, Corey, we can both agree on just how much of a physical threat Elias is from bell to bell.
And then we should talk about the many faces of Jeff Hardy. Every one of them being a reinvention of himself, with the only constant being the look of determination Jeff keeps on his face.
In that sense, Hardy is a true enigma, with many fearless spirits within him.
Oh, he counters right back on Hardy.
Haymaker connects.
Got him set up in the corner of the ring.
Hurled away. God. Mat slam with some attitude. Oh, foot just stomping down.
Nah.
Turning the tables there. Oh, God.
ये क्या
And we know Elias can play a mean tune, but what does he have to do to take things to the next level?
Taking flight. He misses the target. Short flight, but a rough landing.
और ले
Oh, kick finds it. He's feeling the effects of that last hit. It's nothing he hasn't been through before. Continuing to attack the neck.
मेरी बारी भी आएगी सब
Top rope. Caught the leg. What a windmill kick. Strikes with a kick.
Elias moves out of the way.
Wow,
Belly to belly.
Oh, unique offense.
A big splash.
And gets met with a huge roadblock right there.
Oh my goodness.
Dynamite leaping tombstone.
ये तो अंडरटेकर की फिनिशर नहीं थी
Rear chin lock and now just
चलो भाई
rapid
हमारी
fire
बारी भी
punches.
आएगी अभी खुश नहीं होते इतनी जल्दी इलियास
Hardy responds.
Vicious right forearm.
Oh, did you hear that?
Ooh! Elias fends that off. These two showing how well scouted they each are. Avoiding contact.
Jeff Hardy with a great shot.
Just non-stop blows. What a drop kick.
He's just getting beaten on all fronts here.
Yeah, he's got to dig deep and find another win if he wants to stay in this.
Elias is in a bad spot here, guys, but we all know how quickly he can change his tune. He just can't hold one. Uh-oh. Twist of fate!
Exhibit A right there of the fearless spirit with Hardy.
Will it be?
Yes, it will.
Finally, he picks up the victory.
Here is your winner, Jeff Hardy.
अब इधर भी ब्रेकआउट हो सकता है. ये उठा सकते हैं हम? नहीं उठा सकते.
Jeff is feeling it. The end is in sight. Hit to the gut.
Twist of fate.
मजा आया.
The WWE Universe is pouring more fuel on his fire right now.
चलो जी, ये हो गया. कौन सा करना चाहिए? चैंपियनशिप मैच कर लेते हैं. Next match. I think WrestleMania मैनी वाला करना था. चलो कोई बात नहीं, दोबारा करो.
You know, each and every week here on Monday Night
Skip, 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 skip. Copyright strike ना आ जाए यार. चबल लोग YouTube वाले भी. YouTube वाले नहीं, जो कंप्लेन करते हैं उनके बारे में बात करते हैं. ये मेरा मैच है. चैंपियनशिप इसके साथ फिर ये रीमैच कर रहा है. इसको मैंने उड़ा नहीं दिया था.
Introducing the challenger from New York, weighing in at 249 pounds, Damian Priest. And introducing the champion from Cameron, North Carolina, weighing in at 225 pounds. He is the WWE United States Champion, Jeff Hardy.
One of the most prestigious titles in all of sports entertainment here for the taking. the United States Championship.
The United States Championship has a tremendous amount of history dating back
Let me stop you, Cole. We know the history. Tonight, this match is about the future. The United States Champion isn't focused on how he won it. He's focused on keeping it.
As much as I want to, I can't argue with that, Corey. The challenger's looking shaken.
If he can hold the line here, he'll be in a good position. Oh, look at this. Raining
No me
right
escumare.
hands. No escape from these punches. What a drop kick.
Ooh, treading all over their opponent. Priest able to avert that. Drop kick hits the mark.
Oh, the world's strongest splash. Damian Priest has an air of comp. And any luck ran out quick here. Neck breaker.
That could be it.
Looking for a high-risk, high-reward situation.
To the sky. Nobody home on that. Unpacks a well-placed punch.
There's some power behind that punch.
Forearm to the kidneys.
Oh, what a punch.
That's how you stop your opponent.
Oh. To the small of their back.
Jeff Hardy with a great shot. Leaving himself open here.
Now, guys, I can't think of a worse place for him to be right.
We're about to see something highly devastating, gentlemen.
This is bad.
It's a back superplex.
That took athleticism. Jeff with an aggressive game plan here.
Jeff has all the wires in his cerebellum cortex firing.
And he was lying in wait for Jeff.
Maybe he's found a new source of aggression to battle back with.
Counters that.
Oh, point of the elbow finds the mark.
And Priest is being controlled here.
Yeah, now Priest has to fight against the
कोई
momentum
बात नहीं,
against
कोई
it.
बात नहीं.
The champ is down. Title change. I can feel it.
And only gets a 1 count.
Right now, I just don't know what it's going to take.
Gets him with the counter. Oh, look at the slaps.
That's disrespectful. This is just gonna hurt.
Drop kick. Had it scouted. Bullseye. Oh, what a right.
Man, that's some attitude behind it. Kick to the midsection. Twist of fate.
Shoulders down. Championship on the line. And the ref stops the count.
यार
Priest dodges out of that.
Can there be frustration mounting in these competitors, knowing it's going to take more to win this one?
You can't let those feelings seep into your psyche. You have to keep your focus.
For the win to retain the championship.
Got it.
Yeah.
And the champ adds to their legacy.
जीतना तो था ही.
That was an awesome win for this young man. One of the biggest of his career by far.
What a battle. Respect to both competitors.
And this I love. This I absolutely love. Maybe you should have taken a page out of that kid's book in your career, Corey. Great sportsmanship.
I would have hit him in the mouth.
ये क्या? तीसरा मैच एक दिन में? चलो कर लेते हैं, कोई बात नहीं।
When you think of crafty veterans, there are a few people who come to mind more than Montavious Porter, better known as MVP.
MVP has dedicated this stage of his career to passing on wisdom and
इस
mentoring
ज़माने
young
में MVP में बड़ा
superstars,
पसंद था।
but he can still get it done in the ring too.
True, MVP is a superstar who practices what he preaches, looking to add to his resume here tonight.
And then it's always great to see Jeff Hardy in his element. Hardy's inner demons have been well documented, but in between the ropes, his mind is clear and focused on the job at hand.
Yeah, Jeff doesn't always shy away from being a cautionary tale, but more than that, he prides himself on being an example of accountability and resurgence.
Now trampling the opposition.
And Corey, if you're MVP, how do you approach this match tonight?
Trust in your experience. MVP knows every facet of this business. As long as he stays cool, he'll be in this fight.
Drops the hammer.
Right on the lower back.
He's looking a little off balance.
Yeah, but he's not breathing heavy yet. Punch right in the head.
That didn't go as Hardy pictured.
And responds with a counter of their own.
Northern Lights bomb!
Hardy averts the attack.
Oh, jarring back elbow.
No, right to the back of the neck.
Oh, a nasty stomp to finish it off.
Countered it just in time. A picture-perfect moonsault.
Kick to the midsection. Twist of fate.
And Hardy is now feeling at home, feeling in his element.
This is where Jeff
From the middle rope.
MVP fends that off.
And now a series of stomps and kicks.
Uh-oh. Elbow drop.
ले जाएगा मुझे।
Hardy takes the offensive. Getting him into the corner. Caught him right in the jaw.
Oh, what a shot.
Boom, what a punch. The end may be in sight for his opponent here.
Perch on the
Tricky.
ropes. What's coming next? Whoa! Twist of fate.
Will that stop MVP? Shoulders down.
That's it. The blood and sweat put into this match. Well worth it.
Here is your winner, Jeff Hardy.
ओके, ये बाकी सिमुलेट हो रही हैं। अगला भी क्या हिसाब किताब है? यार हमेशा लोले, मेरा मतलब है फजूल। चलो शुरुआत होगी शायद इसलिए।
Ladies and gentlemen, it is time to walk with Elias.
Can he walk off a bridge, Cole? When's Elias going to play his swan song? At least he's in a match at the moment and has limited effect on my eardrums.
Your opinion on Elias's musical talent aside, Corey, we can both agree on just how much of a physical threat Elias is from bell to bell.
And then we should talk about the many faces of Jeff Hardy. Every one of them being a reinvention of himself, with the only constant being the look of determination Jeff keeps on his face.
In that sense, Hardy is a true
ये
enigma.
स्टंट है
That
स्टंट का
can't be
मतलब
enough, can it?
कि मैं पिन कर सकता हूँ 3 पे
One count and he gets his shoulder up.
Likely just trying to sap out some energy with that cover.
Beautiful drop kick. Oh, looking to cripple the leg.
Uh-oh, look out.
He's absorbing some tough hits now.
And hanging tough, but beginning to show some wear and tear. Might want to think about picking up the pace a bit. Oh!
And Elias is on the downside of things right now.
Jeff has all the wires in his cerebellum cortex firing.
Fireman's carry. And luck ran out right there. He couldn't finish the job. Stomping down. Boom, what a kick. Oh, he counters right back on Hardy. He switches it back around.
Yes.
Standing moonsault. Oh! He's finding himself in trouble here.
Might want to walk it off or shake it off or do whatever he needs to do to get his head in the game here.
Elias is in a bad spot here, guys, but we all know how...
Jeff Hardy, a thing of beauty. Can't find a way to rally there.
कमबैक मूव नहीं आता सही.
Oh man.
From the middle rope. Oh, what a splash.
Looking wobbly in the corner.
Caught him right in the jaw.
What a shot.
Jeff Hardy with a great shot.
Caught with a punch.
I don't like this situation, guys.
Twist of fate!
And Elias is out.
Try and end it.
And that's all she wrote.
तंग बड़ा करते हैं यार.
And look who's here. Look who's here.
यार इनसे तो जान छुड़वानी है पहले.
And now, WWE presents WrestleMania Backlash.
ये क्या बस बैकलैश. ये कोई नया शो है गाइस. मैंने कुछ मिस किया.
As finally we will settle some scores. The WWE Universe is extremely excited as we get set for
Backlash तो मुझे पता है.
Tonight we find
लेकिन
out if you
WrestleMania
reach the
Backlash
pinnacle, the top of the mountain, or if
किसने
you
है बड़ा?
perish trying to capture your dream.
The following cup.
इसको सबक सिखाना पड़ेगा. मुझे तंग ना किया करो.
Introducing the champ.
There is a certain excitement that a United States Championship match has. It's hard to nail down exactly what it is.
I know what you mean, Byron. Whether defending or challenging for the U.S. title, superstars seem to go the extra mile.
Really just laying it in. Well-placed kick.
He knew that was coming.
Nasty right hand. Enziguri to the floor.
Look at him totally vibing with the WWE Universe right now.
He's heading to the floor, but he can't take his time.
The adrenaline is pumping, and the WWE Universe is on his side.
Damian Priest is quite the imposing opponent. Corey, how can you get the upper hand on a man this devious?
You just answered your own question, Cole. Priest is imposing, but he's still mortal. Priest's opponent will have to find that weakness and capitalize on it quickly.
Priest holds him off.
Jeff Hardy with a great shot.
Punch right in the head.
Oh, that can rock you. Hardy responds.
Kick to the midsection. Twist of fate. Cover by the champ.
निकल आएगा नहीं इतना कमजोर है इतना तंग किया उस बंदे ने यार इस एपिसोड में 2 बंदों के साथ ही रेसलिंग किया हाँ वो तो मैं हूँ अगला वीक जल्दी करो टैग टीम का ये मसला नहीं था कि जब भी पिन करो दूसरे आ जाते हैं यार इसको स्किप भी नहीं कर सकते
The Daredevil.
The following contest is a tag team match.
Looks like we've got some company, and he's not going to want to wait to get things going.
Yeah, they say patience is a virtue, but who needs virtue?
Weighing in at 225 pounds.
Clothesline.
और शुरू हो गया मैंने मार खा लिया मैंने
Back elbow finds the mark.
Elbow after elbow. And a third. Vicious enziguri.
Oh, that'll turn your skin red.
On the apron.
You gotta be kidding me.
Big time risk pays off.
The daredevil in you comes out when you take risks like that.
oh
A big forearm connects. And he was lying in wait for Jeff.
Nasty right hand. Answers with an enziguri. crashing to the floor.
मुझे बाहर आना पड़ेगा।
Running bulldog.
इसको मैं कुछ कर ही नहीं सकता।
Beautiful drop kick.
Benjamin answers back.
Big forearm. Stomping. Ouch. What a wrist clutch suplex.
Big time win
तो
in
जीत
this
भी गए
tag team
हैं। ये
match.
कौन सा टैग टीम मैच था यार, जो शुरू ही नहीं हुआ तो फिर भी जीत गए। 2-3 साल तुम लोगों के पास टाइम था है, और गेम तुम लोगों ने ऐसी बनाई है कि समझ ही नहीं आती। एक मोड तुम लोग बनाओ, ठीक है, 10-10 मोड्स बनाए हैं। कहाँ है सारे प्रोफेशनल प्लेयर्स, कहाँ हैं सारे? फिर टैग टीम।
In this tag team competition, we're going to see Jeff Hardy and Cedric Alexander. Then the opposing team is, of course, filled with R-Truth and Shelton Benjamin.
Hard to decide what team has the advantage here. It'll probably come down to who can cut the ring in half the best, who can control the pace.
Strong forearm.
Ooh, well measured.
Oh, what a kick. He saw that one coming. Big boot.
Ooh.
And a knee stop. That'll ruin your leg. Bam! Down he goes.
And Jeff not backing down.
Oh, solid contact there. Drop kick. Beautiful.
R-Truth is starting to look a little uneasy.
Yeah, he might want to tag out just to have the fresher teammate in right now. Not that he can't fend for himself right now. Whoa!
He's in off the tag.
तुम्हारी बारी भाई।
Cedric shooting up the turnbuckle.
He's got to know he's in harm's way here. From way up, double axe handle.
What a press!
Suplex brings them down.
Oh, what a wind-up.
What a shot.
Set him up.
Double underhook suplex. He is revving up the engine. He's not going to let anything stop him.
मेरे बंदे को मार रहे हैं, लेकिन मैं क्या करूं?
Knee drop. Big forearm.
ये देखो टैग टीम है गाइस।
A shoulder block drives him to the floor. He may not be aware of the count. He's got to get back in. Truth caught by surprise. All right, sliding back in.
Whoa!
Drop kick.
Beautiful. Drops the hammer right on the lower back.
Oh, the world's strongest splash. He's in a bad way, guys.
He can really stand to give back as good as he's getting right about now. Oof, that'll leave a mark.
Oh, man. Kick to the face.
समझ नहीं आ रही है क्या हो रहा है।
Off the rope. Ooh, nice leapfrog.
And again. Oh, what a back elbow.
Got the full Nelson locked in.
Sit out, full Nelson face buster. And there's the cover. Broken up, and the match continues.
Truth gets out of the way. Oh, my God. Ooh, DDT delivered.
I don't like tag team यार.
And Truth capitalizes there.
सच्ची बताऊं, मेहनत नहीं की इन्होंने यहाँ पे. अब मैं उसके पास जाता हूँ, उसको मार नहीं सकता है. ये क्या है?
This match grinded him down a little. Tag is made. Little tandem offense on the horizon. Oh, a double back elbow. He catches Shelton with a counter.
Pushed it all the way up. Ow, brain buster. Does Shelton have some fight left?
And he stops the count. He's a projectile now. Oh, look at this. Headbutt.
Top rope, here we go.
Looks like he has his finger on the trigger now. He's reeling, slowly getting up. From the top, diving double axe handle. He's lost some of his wind now. Cedric Alexander, arm check.
Cedric with a game ender.
The pin's broken up.
I can't believe it.
Sent right out of the ring. Stomping down. The heart of these competitors is showing through tonight.
The adrenaline is coursing through their veins.
I don't think Truth's aware of the danger that's coming.
And Shelton only finds himself on...
Kick to the gut, twist of fate. Is that enough to take out Truth?
And his eyes are piercing through the opposition now. Caught with a lariat. He is just reeling from that offense.
These two teams have gone to war, Cole. Of course they're going to wind up with a few battle scars.
Take the...
Shelton Benjamin counters. Corey, that's a unique suplex.
Wrist clutch suplex, perfect.
Placing them right where they want them, in
देखा.
the corner.
अब मुझे समझ नहीं यार, मैं बाहर ही कैसे निकलूं? मैं बार-बार बटन दबा रहा था. अच्छा 5 पे निकाल देते हैं.
Can't do that. Well, it's gonna cost them the match.
चलो कोई बात नहीं, होता रहता है. कौन सा? अच्छा मैं यही से आ सकता हूँ. अच्छा आज मैं टाइटल के लिए कौन सा टाइटल होगा? टैग टीम इन्होंने बनाया. वाह भाई वाह. गाइस मैं कहता हूँ आज के लिए इतना ही, मिलेंगे अगले एपिसोड पे। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग, बाय बाय।